Welcome to the channel Jobs for You Now. Government job opportunities in Belgaum and other locations. Salary range 45,000 to 1,77,000. And it is under Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Invites applications for the posts of Administrative Officer, Section Officer, Accounts Officer Junior grade. So let's explore how to apply for this. Go to Google. Type ICMR career. Search. Click on the first career opportunity, Indian Council of Medical Research. So the career page of ICMR will open. ICMR is nothing but Indian Council of Medical Research. If you go to the career page, the first one, applications are invited through the email for the post of Senior Research Fellow. This is one. Second, applications are invited for the post of Administrative Officer, Section Officer, Accounts Officer Junior grade. This is the second one where we will get the government job opportunity, location Belgaum. We will explore this. And this is on a permanent post basis. Last date to apply 26th February 2021. So here there are links for advertisements in Hindi, English and application format. So you have to apply through this application format only to the given address. So I will open the advertisement here. Okay, so this is the advertisement given. So Indian Council of Medical Research vacancy circular. Okay, so they are requiring these kind of candidates. So what are the posts they are looking at? Administrative officer, salary 56,000 to 1,77,000. Okay, 2 posts. Section officer, 4 posts. Accounts officer, 1 post. Accounts officer junior grade, 3 posts. And it is under UR, unreserved category. So you can see here ICMR NITM Belgaum. There is one vacancy for this location, Belgaum location, and other locations are Jodhpur and Gorakhpur. Now what is the eligibility criteria for all these things? So this is one. Okay, what is the eligibility criteria for the post of section officer and post of accounts officer? And eligibility condition for the post of accounts officer junior grade. So you should be a BCom graduate, plus you should have 5 years regular experience in this grade from central government, state government or autonomous body or PSUs. And you should have knowledge of computer and account software. And you should have experience in budget and finance and accounts. So the age, maximum age is 56 years of age as on the last date of the receipt of application. Now these are the details how to apply for this. So you have to go to this website ICMR https main.icmr.nic.in. So here you will find the application format. So in that application format you have to fill up the details and you have to send through proper channel to the Assistant Director General, the given address here, okay, New Delhi, on or before 26th February 2021. So this is how you can apply for this government job opportunity, which is located at Belgaum, one post, which is accounts officer post, and you have to send it to the proper channel to the given address within 26th February 2021. So these are the different job opportunities under ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Thank you.